I want to explain EU food regulation. The first time, 2002, EU prepared a regulation of food safety. And the number of that regulation, 178/2002. The regulation laying down the general principles and requirements of the food law, establishing the European Food Safety Authority and laying down the procedure in the matters of the food safety. I want to repeat again, 178/2002. I want to emphasize the year 2002. After that, this is the frame regulation. We should prepare the details regulation because of this. European countries prepare 4 regulation. These are 852/2004, 853/2004, 854/2004, and 882/2004. Now I want to explain that regulations meaning. 852/2000 on the hygiene of foodstuffs, hygiene. 853/2000 laying down the specific hygiene rules for hygienic foodstuffs of animal origin. The other one, 854/2004, specific rules for the organization and official controls and on products of animal origin intended for human consumption. The last one, regulation of 882/2004 on official control performed to ensure the verification of compliance with the feed and food law, animal health, animal welfare and rules. Concerning the EU countries, they prepared one organization, European Food Safety Authority, EFSA. This is a very important organization, and EFSA was in Parma, in Italy. They are only in EFSA building, the office member is working there. But the scientific people is working in their country. They are discussing with electronical conditions, email. They discuss everything, and they are sending each other. They have a research group, working group, and they are discussing. Sometimes they are gathering in a one time or 2 times in this pandemic time. They didn't gathering now. And this is the EU regulation. And concerning EU regulation, there are 66 important issues. Here, I don't want to say all of them one by one. Here, I want to explain HACCP rules and ISO 22000. Concerning ISO is the subgroup of Codex Alimentarius. Codex Alimentarius is funded FAO and World Health Organization. ISO has a sub-committee. ISO, for instance, ISO Technical Committee, TC 34, and SC subcommittee, many numbers, and all of them, they are discussing about the different topics. And in that topics, ISO 22000 is very important for food production, food management system. In the sub-issues, the HACCP, hazard analysis critical control points. This means before producing food, we should write the risk elements. Step by step, we should prepare flow chart of food production. And every step, we should write the risks. And if we prepare that risk rules, and for preventing that risk, we should explain our food processors some workers, they want to learn the risks. For instance, if we prepare the tea, Turkish tea, we should, first of all, we should choose good black tea. It must be good quality. And then we should store a good place. If we put some detergent, the black tea get the odor of the detergents. That time the tea smells detergent. This is true. These are risks, and we should use good quality water, good quality glass, good quality sugar, and also we should educate the people. We prepare that food. For instance, black tea preparation guys should know that risks. Every 6 months we should give education to our workers, and they should learn, they should discuss. Also, they should discuss and learn hand hygienes. We should teach them how to wash their hands. In this pandemic time, we learned hygiene rules more than before. Because of this food production system, the HACCP rules prevent all risks. I want to repeat again, HACCP means Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Means before production of food, we should write the flow chart, we should show the risk points, and we should prevent that risk from the foods, and that time our food will be good. And we generally food inspection last time was taken from the factory. This time the inspector is coming the food factory. They are checking everything, not checking the last food. They are checking the systems. They are checking the risk flow charts. They are checking some data, and for instance, if you have a heating system in the food production, they are asking your pasteurization and sterilization data, and if it is okay, and after that they are checking your last products of food, and this covers all HACCP system. HACCP system is in the ISO 22000. It's very important for food production to preventing the many risks. HACCP is important for food production.